In prior episodes, we talked about why postmortems are important, and then we talked about how to prepare. Conducting a postmortem is a great way to learn from the actual experience. It's very helpful in identifying lessons for the next effort. But here's a great way to identify possible issues before you even begin the project the first time. It's by conducting a premortem, which is imagining that the project or the product has already failed. The formal term is prospective hindsight, and it's based on research from Wharton, Cornell, and the University of Colorado. In fact, an article in the Harvard Business Review explains it can increase the ability to correctly identify reasons for future outcomes by 30%, and that's huge. One reason it's super helpful is that participants are more likely to speak up about potential problems simply because they're being asked to do so. Normally, the enthusiasm and groupthink at the onset of a project results in a lot of folks keeping thoughts of potential problems to themselves because they don't want to be seen as negative or naysayers. Here's how to do a pre-mortem with a group. 1. Involve a wide and diverse group of people. Secondly, explain that the assumption is the project or the product under consideration has already failed. 3. Ask the participants to individually list on paper every reason they can think as to why the project might have failed. 4. Then go around the room and have each team member read one reason from their list and continue through all the members until every reason has been exhausted and everything has been recorded. 5. As a group, then study all the possible reasons and look for ways to diminish the risks. Premortems not only help identify a wide variety of problems that may previously have never been noted or discussed, but they lessen the unchecked overconfidence that is often typical at the very beginning of new projects. Another benefit, it strengthens teams because everyone is given a level playing field when they're asked to contribute to the list.